The all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5 arrives with substantial upgrades while preserving the appeal that has made it a perennial favorite among compact SUV enthusiasts. Featuring bold design elements, advanced technology integration, and efficient hybrid powertrains, this third-generation model is positioned to redefine Mazda's best-selling vehicle. Let us explore how the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is set to elevate the crossover segment to unprecedented heights. Powertrain technologies. Mazda has historically offered a diverse range of naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines, but the next generation brings substantial advancements in powertrain technology. The venerable Skyactiv G engine, renowned for its high compression ratios and refined power delivery, will gradually be phased out in favor of the newly developed Skyactiv Z architecture. While comprehensive specifications remain undisclosed, industry sources confirm that Mazda will incorporate Lambda 1 combustion technology, optimizing the air-to-fuel mixture for enhanced efficiency and consistent power delivery across a broader RPM range. This innovative engine technology enables Mazda to meet increasingly stringent emission standards, including Euro 7 regulations in European markets and Tier 4 requirements in North America, underscoring the manufacturer's commitment to performance excellence and environmental responsibility. Although official technical details await confirmation, the next-generation CX-5 is expected to maintain both naturally aspirated and turbocharged engine variants. The current turbocharged four-cylinder power plant, celebrated for its robust performance characteristics, should remain competitive within the segment. However, the CX-5's most distinctive attributes have always extended beyond raw power, encompassing its exceptional chassis dynamics, refined suspension tuning, and precise steering feedback, qualities that establish it as one of the most engaging SUVs in its class. Exterior design. The third-generation CX-5 represents a significant milestone in Mazda's product strategy. Initially, Mazda had intended to replace the second-generation CX-5 with the CX-50, but consumer preference prompted a strategic pivot. Sales data revealed that buyers consistently favored the CX-5, which remains unquestionably Mazda's most successful model. What began as a temporary measure has evolved into a long-term commitment to the CX-5 nameplate. The 2026 model brings forth numerous compelling improvements while maintaining the vehicle's distinct identity. Although constructed on an entirely new platform architecture and sharing more components with the CX-50, the new CX-5 will retain significant differentiation in numerous aspects, particularly regarding powertrain configurations and driving dynamics. Examining the exterior aesthetics of the 2026 Mazda CX-5 reveals an evolutionary approach to design. The current model has consistently impressed with its sophisticated elegance, featuring clean lines, smooth contours, and a sleek profile that commands attention on roadways. Disguised test mules of the next-generation model exhibit subtle yet meaningful refinements. The new design language incorporates bolder elements and sharper character lines while maintaining similar overall proportions and silhouette. These attributes effectively summarize its refreshed appearance. Engineers and designers have reimagined the front fascia, including the signature grille, headlight assemblies, and bumper design, imparting a more contemporary aesthetic while preserving the iconic styling elements cherished by Mazda enthusiasts. Hybrid integration. The third-generation CX-5 will expand its powertrain portfolio beyond conventional internal combustion offerings to include sophisticated hybrid configurations. Industry analysts anticipate both standard hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants will be available. This development aligns with broader industry trends, though Mazda enthusiasts will note that the CX-50, which shares architectural elements with the Toyota RAV4, recently introduced its own hybrid derivative. The CX-5, however, will implement a distinctly different approach to preserve its characteristic driving experience. Rather than adopting Toyota's efficient but dynamically conservative hybrid system, Mazda is developing a more performance-oriented electrified drivetrain. While specific details remain limited, reliable sources indicate Mazda's proprietary hybrid architecture will work in conjunction with the new Skyactiv Z engine platform. Some industry reports suggest the hybrid configuration may utilize electric motors for direct wheel propulsion, while the gasoline engine functions primarily as an electrical generator to replenish the battery reserves. Although official confirmation is pending, this arrangement presents compelling engineering logic and aligns with Mazda's performance philosophy. Technology and safety systems. The third-generation Mazda CX-5 aspires to expand technological boundaries, particularly regarding cutting-edge driver assistance and active safety systems, complementing its enhanced powertrain capabilities. Considering the current model's already impressive technology integration, surpassing these established standards presents a formidable challenge. The present CX-5 offers comprehensive safety features, including forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic high beam control, and numerous other contemporary safety technologies as standard equipment. What additional enhancements might the forthcoming model introduce? Several premium features currently available on higher trim levels, such as 360-degree camera systems, traffic sign recognition technology, and head-up display functionality, could become standard across the model range. According to industry insiders, the new CX-5 may represent Mazda's first implementation of advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Interior refinement and material quality. Interior excellence has consistently distinguished the CX-5 within its competitive set. The cabin environment has garnered such high regard that automotive journalists frequently compare it favorably against premium segment alternatives. Mazda's proficiency in crafting sophisticated interiors has remained evident throughout the model's evolution, and the current second generation exemplifies this tradition. Beyond its elegantly minimalist design philosophy, the interior continues to impress with premium material selection and exceptional build quality. Expectations for the next generation interior naturally run high, with substantial evidence suggesting these standards will be met or exceeded. The new model's interior aesthetic will likely incorporate design elements from Mazda's recent introductions, including the CX-90, CX-70, and similarly positioned CX-50. The brand's signature minimalist approach will persist, complemented by enhanced tactile qualities and expanded digital integration. An important distinction warrants emphasis. Unlike the CX-50 and Toyota RAV4, which undergo North American production, the CX-5 continues to be manufactured exclusively in Japan, maintaining import status in most international markets. Practical enhancements and utility improvements. While the next generation CX-5 will undoubtedly offer additional amenities, luxury appointments, and aesthetic refinements, it also addresses practical considerations. Despite its visual appeal, the current model features one of the segment's more modest cargo capacities, prioritizing design cohesion over maximum utility. The forthcoming model will likely address this compromise, offering expanded cargo volume without sacrificing design integrity. Similar observations apply to second-row passenger accommodations. According to reliable sources, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 will introduce meaningful improvements in this regard. Although the new platform is expected to maintain a similar wheelbase dimension, the overall vehicle length will increase by several inches, creating additional space for both passengers and cargo without compromising the model's compact footprint and maneuverability. Market positioning. Development of the third-generation Mazda CX-5 approaches completion, with disguised prototypes observed during validation testing on multiple occasions. While official release timing and pricing remain unannounced, the formal unveiling of the production model is anticipated before year-end, suggesting market introduction as a 2026 model year vehicle. Pricing strategy represents a crucial element in the model's continued success. Despite comprehensive enhancements, the new CX-5 is expected to maintain competitive pricing alignment with the current generation, which continues to offer entry points below $30,000 in the North American market. This value proposition remains essential as the compact crossover segment becomes increasingly competitive with new and updated entries from virtually every manufacturer. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 faces the considerable challenge of building upon its predecessor's established reputation, while introducing meaningful advancements in performance, efficiency, technology, and practicality. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.